Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your account must be in good standing, and the clip must not breach community rules. Once done, open the specific restricted video and tap the three dots to view status details. Note any labels like copyright or sensitive content. Make sure to save the original project file and any licensing receipts or creator permissions. These will be needed for appeals. This step prevents wasted appeals by solving root causes before moving into edits and formal requests. Now act on the issue. Open your editor and remove the flagged portions. Trim, mute, or blur as required. Once edited, swap out any copyrighted audio for licensed or royalty-free alternatives, or pick a TikTok sound that clears rights automatically. Then export and upload as a new draft, or use TikTok's replace feature where offered. This avoids repeat flags tied to the original upload. By changing both visual and audio elements, you address algorithmic matches and reduce the chance of automatic restriction. Finish by filing an appeal inside the video's status menu. Attach originals, licenses, and a short explanation of why the restriction is incorrect. Once submitted, monitor responses for 24 to 72 hours and be ready to escalate through TikTok support if necessary. Keep logs of each submission. If the appeal fails, try final troubleshooting. Test a shorter clip, remove problematic metadata, or post from a creator account to isolate the issue. These final checks close the loop and let you recover visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.